This will be a quick video. This is another circuit that is using a 555 as not an oscillator. Okay, so there's lots of different uses for 555s. We took a look at one that was a continuity checker, which was a monostable vibrator, a single pulse generator. This one we're going to use as an on-off switch. This will be the on button, and this will be the off button. You can push the off button as many times as you want, or the on button as many times as you want. So on, off, on, off, on, off. And it's debounced, right? Automatically debounced. And if you hit both of them together, it's off, okay? So on, off, both. So how do we do this, okay? It's really simple. Remember the 555, it's got these two comparators and it's got a set reset flip-flop in it, right? So we're going to do a set and we're going to do a reset, and that's kind of like the toggle. But we're not going to do it the way you think you might do it. We're going to tie pin 6 low, so we're not going to use this op amp or this comparator. We're not going to use that one at all. Okay, so nothing's going to go on there. And so the only signal that's going to come in is this signal, and we'll connect it here. And so it's going to say set. It's actually not set, right? We're going low, but anyway, it says set. And then the LED will go high. So we can do that. We can say set, and it goes high. So this is going into pin 2, all right? And the way we're going to turn it off is we're going to use the master reset of the flip-flop. It's kind of funny with flip-flops. You know, this one's set reset, but there's also another reset. But this is kind of a clear. Better call this clear. Set reset, and this is kind of clear. But they always label it reset. And we're gonna use that one. Okay, so we're gonna put it like that, and that's all we have to do. So we're really using set clear, not set reset. We're doing set clear, and that makes it better because there's an undefined state if you assert both set and reset together on a set reset flip-flop. That's not defined, and you'll get strange results. But if you assert both of these at the same time, if you assert set and you assert clear at the same time, clear always overrides everything, and so it's safer to wire it up this way. Now that's what I have. That's exactly what I have wired here. Okay. And it works just fine, but you shouldn't build this circuit the way I have it. You really should put a pull-up resistor here, and you should put a pull-up resistor here. It seems to work fine without them, but you know, put a 10K, put a 10K, put some pull-up resistors to make this thing more reliable. But there we go, using a 555 timer as a set reset flip-flop, and we can use the normal output, or we can use the inverted output that's an open collector. You can use either one.